Hello and welcome to our Experience Center here in LVD, Belgium. We're pleased and excited to demonstrate our full automatic Multifold 2111 panel bender today. But first, what exactly is automated panel bending? It's a highly productive method to produce a full part without any manual intervention. The machine takes care of the loading, tooling setup, manipulating and bending. It enables faster production times, precise control, and significantly reduces the operator requirements. Even complex geometries that would be difficult or time-consuming using conventional bending methods are fully possible. The automated panel bending market is rapidly growing, driven by the increasing demand for faster, more precise manufacturing processes. Why is there an increased demand? For this, we see a couple of trends. Repetitive quality is the first trend. The ever-increasing cost of raw material pushes manufacturers to reduce waste material as much as possible. Industries focus more on reliable and precise production methods. Second trend that we see is reduced cycle time. The industry is responding to the global requirements of next-day shipping. The R-to-part time has become one of the most important factors in manufacturing. Next trend that we see is reduced batch sizes. Rather than ordering large batch sizes, the just-in-time principle is the more currently preferred principle. Next trend that we see is customization. A growing demand for configurable products in sectors like clean rooms, steel furniture, control boxes and fire doors drives the need for flexible and precise equipment. Another trend is labor shortage. Companies are seeking machines that simplify complex processes. A low learning curve coupled with high productivity is the ultimate goal of every enterprise. Let's look at the key features of our Multifold panel bender. It offers fully automatic bending, high repeatability and high productivity. It includes feeding, gauging, tool setup, servo-operated bending, sheet positioning and rotation. Automatic loading, unloading and stacking are available as options. The first system we will take a look at is our pick-and-place system with double sheet sensor. This can load the sheet from up to 6 different stack positions, or tables. Showcased today are 2 loading tables, which is our standard for our full automatic panel bending. So the pick-and-place system, picks up one part, checks the thickness to ensure that we only use one part, and it puts it on the offline gauging system. Sheet gauging is carried out at the offline gauging station prior to bending. During the gauging process, the length and width of the part is checked, ensuring the right blank is used for the job. We call this the offline gauging system because the process is done outside of the bending machine. This allows us to gauge the next part while the current part is still undergoing the bending process, ensuring a minimal part-to-part change over time. Our optional stacking system allows for the bended parts to be stacked on 2 or 4 pallets. The system is also smart enough to know if multiple stacks can be made on one pallet. In this case, our letterbox demo part is small enough so we can make 2 stacks on one pallet. Automated extraction and part stacking allows for fully autonomous working of the panel bender. It's also important to know that the system is always optimized according to the size of the panel bender. Now is the time to show our machine in production with our organized demonstration. The double sheet sensor ensures only one part is manipulated at a time. The ability to vary sizes and thicknesses provides greater flexibility. Our sheet feeding and rotation system is fully servo operated and it positions and rotates the sheet with high accuracy to deliver precise bends on all 4 sides. This fully eliminates the requirement of manual operator actions, leaving the operator free to prepare the next batch or even situate himself at the end of the production line, ready to apply the next step in production. Our automatic clamping tools change when a batch changes, meaning it's based on the next panel program, so the top tools are set automatically for the workpiece size. That's why Multifold panel benders produce a wide range of parts quickly and independently. Up and down folding. A universal set of servo-operated up and down folding blades are able to create positive and negative bends, open and closed Hamming bends, offset bends, and even radius bends. On this specific machine, the full automatic Multifold 2111, we can accommodate parts up to 2.1 meter of length and up to 110 millimeter of height. This is mentioned in the name of the model. The first 2 numbers specify bending length and the last 2 specify bending height. Our Multifold panel bender uses the latest industrial PC-based control system, coupled with fully servo-driven axes. This not only ensures high speeds, but also precise positioning and excellent repeatability for trouble-free operation. Our parametric programming interface allows the user to quickly make new programs based on existing programs. Imagine requiring the same bending profiles, but on a longer or wider part. Instead of completely remaking the program, simply changing the length or the width of the part is enough to have a new program ready. Our offline software package Catman Flow and Catman F allows programming of more complicated parts using 3D visualization. The package is fully compatible with our other bending systems, giving our users a familiar and user-friendly experience. Our machine is equipped with centralized lubrication system. All moving parts are automatically lubricated. This includes options such as the automatic loading, unloading, stacking, and offline gauging system. Customers sometimes ask, if we choose the full automatic version of your panel bender, can we still load an individual part quickly and easily? For this, we have the option individual part production, where you can load the blank directly on the offline gauging unit. Simply start the program in individual mode and the machine will take care of the rest. In this mode, automatic loading and unloading is disabled. Automated panel bending is widely used in various industries. Let's look at some of them. Steel furniture, for instance, think of cabinets, lockers, drawers, industrial kitchens, letterboxes, etc. etc. Panel benders are used because they ensure consistent bends, which are critical for aesthetic and functional furniture design. Our Multifold 1211, 1225, 2111 and 2125 are specifically designed to meet the requirements of these industries. Enclosures such as electrical cabinets, power supply and control boxes need to be produced precisely, reliably, with consistent repeatability. One common aspect of control boxes or enclosures in general is the requirement for higher bending heights. Our top-of-the-range model offers 400 mm of bending height on a bending length of 2.5 meters. This model is called our Multifold 2540. For fire doors, precision is essential to maintain the integrity of fire-rated doors, ensuring they fit perfectly within the frames to comply with safety standards. The go-to panel bender for fire door manufacturers is our Multifold 2511 model. Cleanroom panels. The panel bender meets the tight tolerances required for the wall panels and ceiling grids. Large panel sizes are the norm here. As such, our largest delivered panel bender to date has a bending length of 7 meters. Construction and architecture, mainly roof panels, facades, decorative wall panels, elevator doors are just some of the many construction and architectural-based industries. A common theme here is the larger part sizes. Our Multifold 2511 and 3211 are the go-to machines in this case. In summary, with LVD panel benders, you can be sure of precision and efficiency, even for challenging projects.